Have you ever wondered how to manage all the permission of your Chromebook extension? Whether it's for privacy or security reason, it's important to know how to control what data your extension can access. Here is a quick tutorial. Here we will show you how you can easily manage extension permission on your Chromebook. So that's been said, let's get started. To manage extensions permission, simply open Google Chrome browser on your Chromebook. Click on three-dot icon, hover your mouse to extensions option, and here click on manage extension. And here you'll find all the extensions that are installed on your Chromebook. Now to manage permission of individual extension, simply click on this detail button, and here you'll find all the information about your extension and permission. Under permission section, you can check that this extension can read and change all your data on all websites and display notification. Also, you can manage site access. For that, simply click on this drop down menu, and depending upon your preferences, you can select the option. If you don't like the extensions permission, you can simply turn off this extension from your browser. For that, simply turn off this toggle and your extension will be disabled on the browser. However, it will not get removed from your Chromebook device. For that, you have to uninstall it. So we already have a video on how you can remove extension from your Chromebook device. So I put the video link in the I button, or you will get the video link in the description box. Similarly, you can also manage permission for other extension. Let me show you another example. Say for example, I want to manage permission for this extension. I'll simply click on details, and here I will find all the information and permission detail. Depending upon your preferences, you can simply change the permission. So that's it. This is how you can manage permission of a extension. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos on Chromebook. See you in next video.